Okay, here we have the sign-on screen. Just go and log in with your credentials. Next we have the locations screen, which is going to be the first screen you go to. So we're adding garage here. You can add any location you want. Save. Then we can add a sub area. So within the garage, for example, we're going to add an area under the bench, but you can add additional sub areas, along the east wall, between garage doors, whatever you want. Go ahead and save here. Then we're going to go ahead and drill into the under bench area because that's where we want to put the container in. So let's just tap it. Now we're going to go ahead and add a container, which is the button down the bottom hand right side of the screen. Now we just need to name the container. So we're going to name this auto parts here. You can name the container anywhere you want, anything you want. And if you look, there's a position number, and that's auto assigned, or you can override it. Click save. Now we have a container auto parts. Go ahead and click into that, and then we're going to add items. So there's two ways to add items. There's a quick add and add item. So we're going to do add item first. Just click the bottom right plus. And we'll add an item name in here, and then we'll add a photo. You can add description, etc. But item name is the only required field here. Now we'll take a photo, click the icon, click. Now we've got the photo in there loaded, so now we'll see that later. We'll be able to see it in the gallery. Go ahead and save item. Now we're going to use the quick add, which is if you want to add a bunch of items in the container and only do it by description and quantity, it's a little quicker. You can do save and add another. So we're going to add our second item here. So in this case, we're going to add Yamaha generator spark plugs, but go ahead and be as descriptive as possible because when we go in the search, that will help you out later. We're going to go ahead and add a picture, tap add photo. You can do it from photo library or just take the picture with your camera on your mobile device. So that's the picture we'll use there. Save and add another, or you can use the back arrow. We'll save it either way. So now you can see we have the two items within the auto parts container with picture. Next, we're going to print a label. So in this case, on the free plan, you get the 2x3 label. We'll generate a PDF. You have to allow it. And we'll take a preview here at the label. So this is what it would print. I've kind of zoomed in here so you can see it. It's 2x3 label, has QR code and the container position number in it. Okay, now we're just using the back arrow to go back out, and we're going to hit the search button, and we're going to search for oil filter. We found it. We'll click it, and it'll take us right to the container. So as you build up your inventory, you can see how quick it is to find stuff there. So we just clicked into that, came back out, just to show the search functionality. If you look up to the top right, there's gallery. You can either do like the gallery shown here or a list. I like the gallery because it allows me to search by picture. Here are the settings tab, so you can see all the pertinent questions from, household plan to profile. If you click the wrench button in the home screen, you'll see you can add a replenishment plan or export the CSV. And the sign out button is the top right there. It takes you back into the login screen. That's a quick walkthrough. Thank you all.